Well, hello there and welcome to another training video. In this nugget, I will be showing you on how to block an IP address on Cpanel. So let's get started. The very first thing you'll want to do is to log in into your Cpanel account using your provided username and password. Well, if there ever come a reason that you'll want to block a specific IP address from accessing your site, then this is how you go about it. From the Tools section, you'll navigate all the way down to where we have Security. And from the Security area, if you've been following along some of the videos, this is where you set up the SSL for your website, and you can actually check the security settings within your site. Well, to block an IP, you'll navigate into the IP blocker option, click on that, and once it loads, you'll be prompted to enter one single IP address or a range of IP addresses. Well, an IP address is a unique identifier on the internet for a specific machine trying to access your services. In this case, I might want to have a single IP address that is blocked. For instance, I can say 192.7.7.7. Well, nothing specific. I know that IP address is very weird, but this is for example purpose only. So 192.7.7 as an individual IP will be blocked as it is. If I click on add, any machine trying to contact my server using that IP 192.7.7.7 will not succeed. I can also select a wide range of IP addresses, let's say a specific class within a given network, not to access my server. So to do that, I'll enter my first range IP. As usual, again, this is just for demonstration purpose, not actual IP address. Then I'll put a dash and put the last IP range. Maybe I want to have between the class 7 and class 8, so I'll do 192.7.8.7. So all the range between .7 and .8 in between here, 7 and 7, will not have access to my server. I'll click on add that, and it will prompt me that the addition has been very successful. If I scroll down, I can tell all the IP addresses that have been blocked in my computer. So the ones that we created and all its subnets will definitely appear down here, showcasing that the IP address has been blocked. If you want to unblock an IP from your list again, you just navigate to that IP address and select delete. Once you delete, you click remove IP and you'll get a success message that the IP address has been removed in your system. Well, thanks for watching and following along. I'll see you in the next nugget.